The streets were quiet, broken glass and neon red. Old walls whisper stories soaked in silent pain. From every corner, shadows learning how to stand. 1,000 voices rising from this battered land. Footsteps echo louder than the fear we knew. Hands once empty, now we're building something new. Through the sirens, through the doubt and every fall, you can feel the heartbeat shaking every wall. We were forgotten names, unfading signs, dust in the cracks of someone else's lines. But now the fire's running